Hello, how you guys doing today? I have a 2018 Dodge Challenger 5 RT, and the car crank but no start, and the fuel pump was not working. So I got this pump that was on Amazon. It's a brand new for 59, like $60, and you can see the details in here. It's got some reviews, not really good reviews, but this reviews because of, if you check here, that this is the old bomb I got off. You can see there's the power wire, the yellow one over here, which is the positive one, I believe. Yeah, this is the positive one. If you look over here, that this wire, the positive one is on the right spot, and then the negative one is not in the right spot. So what I'm going to do is get the solder machine and just swap this little blue wire with the black one, and then I'm going to install it and see how it's gonna work, and I'll show you something else after I swap this wire. So stay tight, be back in a second. Okay guys, I just swapped the wires. I want to show you one more thing. I got this for $10 for a fuel pump remover, and if you know how to use it, that will help you much. Like, I used to use the hammer in to get this ring out. This is my first time to get this off and install it so easy. So I show you here. That was the left bomb, the primary bomb. You can see this is a tool here. It's better to get the half-inch ratchet, so it give you more power. Not the little one. If you use the little one, not gonna give you good power. So you adjust this 10mm bolt. I took the bolts that it comes with it, because it comes with no washer, so that can break it easy. So I got this from like the box of used bolts that I have with washer, and you just board it on top right here, and you adjust it, and after you adjust it, you tied it, not tied like very tight, just a little bit. And I bought this adapter from the bottom, just to give to make this one a little stronger. I don't want to crack it or anything. So when I break it off the first time, you just put this in and give it you bunch it a little bit here, and then it will come off very easy. Same thing when I tied it, you adjust it, and then you turn it off. You turn it clockwise a little bit. Make sure all of this is edges in. Sometime one of them may be off or something, so you put this all in, and then just like you hammer it with your hand, like bunch it twice over here, and like I did now, and it's very good tools. I'm going to lose it. I have another tool, but it is not as this one, yeah. Okay, I really like it. It's very cheap too. So now this is on here. Now I'm going to test it after I swapped the wire. See, I just want to show you what I did first. Okay, just put this on now, and I'm going to turn it on first. Make sure that there is no leak. I want to hear it up. Okay. Now I hear it. The old one I didn't hear that when I tested. Okay. This is I bought some WD-40 at the beginning, so make it easy to come off. Okay. And it's better after you installed it to like turn it on for 10 seconds and then off and then on again, so you make the fuel go into the bulb. Okay, it's 3 times now. Let's see, I'm going to start it and see. I'll get it good in the other side. Okay. This car just came from the auction. Okay. Pretty good, very good. It's not now good. That's it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just comment below.